Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. We are coming up on the holiday season. The first one is Labor Day, and we may be entertaining or having house guests. With the house guests, if you're like me, you have a full load, okay? A full load of house guests, you know, with kids and adults. Well, I have something very special and needy, I know for me, that I want to share with you. And this is a product by Etekcity, and it is a 18-inch queen size air mattress. I love having these air mattresses in my home where I can put an adult or two on them and even kids. So let me share with you this product. It is very neat and I'm sure you will love this too. So let's take a look at this product. So what's in the box? It includes one queen air mattress with built-in pump, one user manual, 2 repair patch kits, and a carry bag. This comfortable air mattress is non-toxic and it's made of safe material and has been tested in California. Very easy to assemble. Just place it on a flat surface, plug into an outlet, flip the switch, and begin to inflate. It takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to set this air mattress up. No separate pump needed here. This air mattress has a built-in pump. So you no longer have to go out and purchase a pump. This one is built in. It has a 2-in-1 valve. The valve can both inflate air through the first valve and also add air through the second valve to reach its desired firmness. Something else about the pump, it's designed for camping or on the go, so you no longer need a power source. This air mattress has a waterproof, puncture-resistant flock top. The flock top is waterproof and can withstand accidental spills to keep your mattress dry and clean for sleeping, enjoying, and playing. This queen-size double-raised non-skid mattress is stable and comfortable, just like your traditional bed. It has a non-skid bottom to keep the mattress in place regardless if you toss or turn. It comes with an easy storage bag which is included, so you will be able to store it and keep it clean and neat for your next activity. You can set up this air mattress to provide your guests, friends, or relatives a comfortable night's rest. Information about this company and this product, it will be listed in my description box down below. I hope you take a look at this product. I know it comes in handy in my home for those added extra guests. I love having air mattresses in my home to be able to sleep all of my guests. And no worry for a hotel. They can sleep comfortably here in my home. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.